how to sell records like Snoop. I'm interrupted by a doorbell. 352. Who the hell is this? I get some quick cops my shit. Stop the dogs from barking, then proceed to walking.
What's going on, y'all? It's Job and Stefano. We're here to make another video for Yoga Media. It's been a minute, but we're getting back in the game. And
we're getting back in the game on this one.
And so today's video, we're essentially going to be fixing Stefano's exhaust on his BMW E30. And I'll let him explain exactly what we're going to be doing.
I had a lot of projects I have to do on my car that needed welding. Finally got myself a welder. And the first thing we're going to do is exhaust hangers. At some point down the road, we're going to build a whole new exhaust system from the headers back. Oh man, that's not true. From the headers back? No, we're not building headers.
No,
at some point in the future, we're going to build a whole new exhaust from the collectors back. But for now, we're just repairing the old one, getting it to work. Excuse my welds. Please don't. Mono wiper video coming soon.
So we got the exhaust placement, and now Stefano's just figuring out measurements for the exhaust hangers.
Got some round stock to make the exhaust hangers out of. I'm just gonna cut my two to length. Then we're gonna bend them. Then we're gonna weld them. That's it.
Tight. So now Stefano has the metal rods that we'll be bending all cut and cleaned up, and we're going to be using these as the hangers for the exhaust.
Just going to mimic this angle at 2 inches. So the way we're building the exhaust, we're trying to use the stock exhaust mounts and hangers, or insulators rather. So your bends just depend on where your hangers are going to be at. If you're putting your own hangers in, just make it as easy as possible. It's 90. But we're kind of going out of the way to suspend it from the existing points. At the end of the day, it's easier. Bend there. I have this angle finder and I put it up against the exhaust where we want it to weld to the pipe, and then where the end needs to end up. And we're just going to mimic that angle and then do our bend off the end to actually hook to the hanger. No numbers needed. Did our first bend. I want this to mount on the side of the exhaust here. weld up, and we're going to put another bend in the end here so it can hook around this exhaust hanger, the insulator.
Cool.
Which means we want the bend to be, yeah, okay. We'll do it parallel with this one, so it'll come over and back.
Oh, I see.
And we're gonna build the same thing for the other side. Same idea to go to the other one up there. We'll get there.
So now we bent metal rods to pretty much work as exhaust hangers, and we'll kind of show you how it's gonna look on the
These
exhaust.
are gonna hug the pipe, weld to either side, and then this is gonna hook the old style ring.
So just got the hangers tack welded together, fully bent, and we test fitted them already. They fit perfectly. Now Stefanos is just gonna weld the rest of it together, and just to build the strength. Not bad. And remember, we're kind of beginning at welding, so they're not perfect. That's why.
No, I suck, dude, honestly.
But
I'm trying my best. If you have tips, please let me know.
Sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Gotta ignore the awkward piece of metal I don't want to cut. My little gusset.
So for the last part of this project, we're just going to be welding the muffler back. we got everything aligned properly. Stefano tack welded some of the points. Now we just have to put a pretty secure and strong weld on the rest of it.
Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Now we got the exhaust all on and proper, and it's done.